Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the first recipe I ever tried with beetroot, so this was definitely an interesting experiment for me. So I hope you enjoy watching this. You want to start out with an onion, you want to peel it and then cut it down into small chunks. Next, you want to take some leek and you want to cut that into thin rings. You want to take a pan, you want to heat up some oil and then put the onion in there and also the leek and let that sit for a minute or so. Meanwhile, you want to go ahead and peel the beetroot. And then you want to also cut it down into smaller pieces. You want to add that to your pan and then let that sit for a minute or so again. And next up, you want to go ahead and add your vegetable stock. And then give it a quick mix, make sure everything is covered by the water and let that sit for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can start preparing the pasta as well. And then you also want to add in some garlic. So I decided to just press it in there and mix it in quickly. And then, as I said, let it boil for 15 minutes. Now you want to add a little bit of sugar, and the exact measurements are down below. Some salt, some pepper, and some Italian herbs. And then a last little mix, and then you're ready to puree. And this is the most annoying part because you have to hold it in a way that it doesn't go everywhere. But yeah, just take your time with that. And then you have a beautiful colored pasta sauce, which also tastes really great. So let me know if you've tried this, whether you like it, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye!